Hello, we're going to go through your math assignment. So today we're going to be talking about even and odd numbers. So your even numbers are 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay? Your odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So let's go through and let's go through your assignment together. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be matching up even and odd numbers. So I want to move this so I can see everything. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is it says place one mitten, circle even or odd. So you're going to take one mitten and you could put it over the snowman, and then you are going to circle over here if it is even or odd. So we said that number 1 is an odd number, so we're going to put the circle over odd, okay? So that first one you don't have to do because I gave you an example of what to do, okay? Your next assignment says place 10 mittens, circle even or odd. So think of the number 10. Is that even or odd? Go back to that slide up here if you're not sure, okay? So it says 2, 4, 6, 8, and then actually 10 are even numbers. So this one says place 10 mittens. So you're going to take 10 of these mittens and put them on the snowman and then circle if it is even or odd. It says place 5 mittens, circle if it is even or odd. So move 5 of those mittens and think about the number 5. Is that even or odd? And you can go back up to your picture to help you. Place 8 mittens, circle if they're even or odd. So think of the number 8. Did we say that was even or odd? Place 8 of those mittens on the snowman and then take your circle over here and move it to either even or odd for number 8. Place 2 mittens, circle even or odd. Move 2 of those mittens over and then take your circle to decide if number 2 is even or odd. Same thing with number 7. Think of number 7. Did we say that was even or odd? You're going to take your mittens and you're going to move them on your snowman, 7 of them, and then circle if it's even or odd. That is it for your math assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions. Remember, our even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. I hope that is helpful. Have fun!